Hello everyone. In the today's video, we'll talk about a very important SQL interview questions. We have 7 very important SQL interview questions. In that we are going to see now how to find number of occurrences of A, where employee name is Ankita. For this we are going to write the query. Select regular expression underscore count of name Ankita comma A from DL. By using this query we are going to get how many A's are there in the name called Ankita. And coming to another interview question, write the SQL query to find the nth highest salary. It is very important interview question in SQL. For this we are going to write the query. Select projection operator from select employee name comma salary comma dense underscore rank. By using dense underscore rank we are finding the nth highest salary. Dense underscore rank of over order by salary descending. For this we are going to give alias name as R from employee. Here employee name is called table, employee table, where R equal to 2. This will give the second highest salary in the employee table. If you want the first highest salary, in the place of 2 you can keep 1. We are going to see the third SQL interview question. Write a SQL query to display those names starts with K and ends with G. By using like operator we are going to write the query. Select employee name from employee table, where ename employee name like K percentage G. We are going to see the fourth SQL interview question, that is select the employee name not contain not less than 4 characters. If the employee name is above 4 characters, then only we can select the SQL query. For this we are going to write the query. Select employee name from employee table, where by using length function we are going to write the query length of, there are many ways to write the query, length of ename greater than or equal to 4. Now we are going to see the fifth SQL interview question. Select those employees who are having more than 30 years experience. These questions asked in many ways in the interview, like select those employees who are working more than 30 years in the company. For this we are going to write the query by using truncate select employee name comma sysdate. Sysdate will give today's date and hire date. Truncate of months between. This is the date function. Months between sysdate comma hire date. It will give number of months. Truncate of months between sysdate comma hire date. Divided by 12. Here 2 is the 2 decimals. For this we are going to give alias name as n years. From employee table, where truncate of months between sysdate comma hire date. Divided by 12 comma 2 greater than 30. If you want 30 years experience person, we can keep 30 here. If you want 10 more than 10 years experience, you can keep 10 here. Now we are going to see the sixth SQL query, how to select unique records from a table. This is very important interview question in SQL. For this we are going to write the query by using distinct keyword. We are going to give the unique records. Select distinct of job. You can take any column here from employee. Here employee is the employee table. By using this query we can get the unique records from a table. Now we are going to see the last query and seventh SQL interview question. Write a SQL query to retrieve the first 4 characters from the employee name. For this we are going to write the query employee name For this, select by using a substring. We are going to write the query. Substring of employee name 1, 4. If you want 4 characters, you can get from first to 4 characters from employee table. These are the very important interview questions in SQL. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.